You will notice a similarity of this W.D. Dobbs lock and the one shown just previously and the one even before that. However, the difference is that this hinge here for the drop lever is on the bolt itself, and this travels back and forth as the bolt is being extended or withdrawn to do the actual unlocking. This case is entirely of brass, sand cast and machine, and is rather beautiful, well done, and the craftsmanship of the period of time. I will turn now so that you can see the burglar-proof spindle design, which is somewhat different from the other ones previously shown, but here we have the shoulder to keep from pulling the dial in any manner, and here we have a taper to keep from driving it in. So these were very important during those years, as the attack on the entry of the safe was usually forced by driving the burglar-proof spindle or punching out portions of the lock.